Hello again. I'm going to show you a briefer way of connecting to the Global Protect VPN will already be installed onto your computer with a school issued PLA form computer that you would receive from CTS. So down here on the right, next to your clock right here, there's a arrow that'll show hidden icons. So you click on that, and you go to the grayed out earth. You hover your mouse over it, should say not connected. So that's the VPN Global Protect software. So you'll click on that and click connect. And you want to make sure that the portal says sg.mesacc.edu. And now you're going to type in your MEID and password you used to sign into your school issued computer. So it should be the same exact password. Alright, and I'll click sign in. And if we look back here, the globe is colored in and it's got the little check mark, and if you hover your mouse over it, it'll say connected. And if you want to disconnect, you click the disconnect button. It's fairly normal to disconnect and reconnect on a VPN. Sometimes you may not want the VPN to run, so just quickly disconnect by clicking that button, and if you need to reconnect again, just follow the steps that I just showed you. The next part of the video, I'm going to show you how to install this VPN software onto a personal computer. I'll run through it step by step and walk through with you, and also how to access a network folder like that. So I'll see you in a bit. Alright, now we are on my personal computer, so I can show you how to install the Global Protect VPN software. So you're going to need to go to a web browser, and we're going to need to type in that same portal, the sg.mesacc.edu. Enter, and it'll bring up the login page for Global Protect. So you're going to type in your MEID and password just like before. Alright, and log in. So now it's going to give you your download links, and you want to whatever system that you have, Windows 32. It's more than likely going to be a 64-bit. So, or if you have a Mac, you do Windows 32 or do 32-bit or 64-bit. On my computer, I have a 64-bit system, so I'll need to click on that one. And down here in the lower left corner, it's going to show your download. And you can see I already downloaded it, but I uninstalled it. I'm going to show you how to install it step by step. I'm just going to click directly onto that download, and I'm going to click run. Then I'm just going to click next, and that's where it's going to download on your computer. C is fine. That should work just fine, just like that. So I'm just going to click next. Now it's installing. Alright, looks like it's finished. And look at that, it popped up right away. So we're just going to close out of the installer now. Alright, so this is what I was talking about before. The sg.mesacc.edu is going to need to be typed into here. It's just like what you typed into the web browser to get to the download. So connect. So that's going to connect to the school's network infrastructure. And there it is. There's the username again. So I'm going to type the MEID in, just like before. Alright, and there we go. It looks like that did it. So let's see here. Yep, so I'm connected to the VPN. Again, it's the same run through here. Click disconnect when you're done with it, and reconnect if you need to. Just follow the steps of signing in. Alright, so now, how do you use the VPN now that you're signed into it? So I'm going to go to File Explorer real quick. And so now I'm connected to the network folder. I will have to show you how to do, I'm gonna have to show you how to do this. So go to one of our network folders that we have. So it's going to ask for these credentials. So you have to do this part in order for it to work. So the school is automatic. The school computers are automatically set up to have this typed in for you already. So you'll have to do this. You have to type in mcccd-org and then forward slash, or no, I'm sorry, backslash, and then your MEID, and then your password. And I'll click remember my credentials, so I'll have to do it again. Okay, there we go. All right, so now I'm into the school network, and I can look at the the folders that are in this network folder. So that should work. That's the end of this video tutorial. I hope it helps you out.